Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Spring 2025 Trends Part 2. It seems like you guys enjoyed the first one. There's so many more trends out there that we need to discuss. So go ahead and get you a coffee, a glass of wine, or whatever, some water. Get yourself hydrated, sit down, and let's get into it. Sheer details. Okay, we're starting this thing off strong. I'm already talking about sheerness. I already know what you're thinking. Okay, Mika, I'm not about to be outside with no clothes on in these sheer outfits or looking like a mesh handbag. Girl, there's different ways to style it. This trend is way more wearable than you think. Sheer skirts over slip dresses give very much, I'm that girl, but I like my coverage. One thing that I think is fire is the sheer top under a blazer or maybe even a corset. You could style it different ways. I think this trend is really fun, really playful, really like sexy and feminine as well. If you're not really feeling this and you want to kind of ease into the moment, I've seen different styles with like sheer sleeves, a few paneling bits on the shirt. You can always try it. Try a trend and see if you like it. You don't have to fully commit. The key here is balance. So if one part of this outfit is sheer, make sure the other part is structured so it gives it that balance and keeps it elevated. Are y'all gonna rock this? Let me know in the comments. Elevated athleisure. Now this is my department right here. This is basically the soft life version of gym clothes, but more put together. Think more tailored joggers, more structured sweatshirts. I think that these tend to look more intentional and not so much, I just rolled out of bed. And if it's a monochrome matching set, give it to me. I'm taking one in each color. We are officially moving past the whole leggings and hoodie vibe, okay? It's time to elevate. 2025, we are elevating ourselves. You can still look cozy, but like you actually put some effort into it. I mean, honestly, who else loves a I look cute, but I can still move outfit? Like, don't have to tell me twice. It is official. The chunky dad shoe era is out of here, okay? The biggest shoe last year were the Adidas Sambas. I've seen them in every style, color, shape. Well, same shape. But I've seen multiple different styles of them, and I feel like they just don't miss. I know we're seeing a lot of the retro styles come back, like the New Balance 327s, I think that's what they're called. They just pair better with flowy dresses, structured pants, even suits. If you're a suit girl and you put on a really cute sneaker, I love that look. Like that look slays. And I hate to be the one to say it, but the giant sneaker trend might be looking a little bit 2019. Like, I'm still gonna wear it because I've bought it and we don't waste around here. But if you want to slowly phase them out and start wearing more of your slimline sneakers, now's the time. 2 words: coastal grandpa. The rich uncle we didn't know we needed, okay? Now, when I heard this, it kind of caught me off guard a little bit. But I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Think relaxed linen sets, fisherman sandals, breezy button-up shirts. Basically look like you just came back from sailing, but you ain't never touched a boat. Yeah, those kind of vibes. It's definitely giving rich uncle on vacation, but in the best way, and I'm a fan of it. I think that this will be a really big trend for the girls who love to look chill and polished and put together. But as for me, in my house, I don't know. I think we'll play on different pieces from it because I do like how it looks, but I don't know if I can do a full fisherman set. We'll see. We'll see. I also think it's really important to mention color palettes for the season. Now, last video I mentioned the powdery pink era. I also want to talk about the new neutrals. The new neutrals aren't your black, your white, your gray. They're more like the muted browns, the olive greens, the warm taupes. I feel like these colors look more richer, more expensive, and they look good on every skin tone. They also mix well with denim, creams, deeper tones for a more layered, effortless look. If you've seen my closet before, you know I love a good neutral look, so I'm definitely here for this one. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and also thumbs this video up if you like these kind of videos. It really helps me know what kind of videos you guys want to see so I can get them out there for y'all. Polished boho, the grown version of festival fashion. It looks like we're leaving behind the messy, free-for-all anything festival looks and going for more structured vibes. Think more like luxe crochet, belted maxi dresses, layered gold jewelry. Basically, it's bohemian, but make it expensive. Less Coachella, more luxe. I think that bohemian vibes come around every spring, and this is just a more elevated version of it. Next is denim everything. First of all, denim is in style every season. There's never a season where denim just isn't that girl. I think this season we're going to see a lot more relaxed yet tailored silhouettes in the jeans. Barrel jeans, they're hit or miss for me. I have to be 100% honest with you. I do love how they look. It's just the full style of the outfit. I think we're going to see a lot of denim on denim on denim, like my girl Beyonce said, with like vests and structured shirt tops to match the jeans or the shorts or the skirts that you choose to wear. Last year, I was the hugest fan of denim maxi skirts, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to do the same this year. I know some of us are scared because we've switched to wide leg jeans, but the skinny legs are making a return, okay? If you don't want to go so skinny, you can also do like a straight leg, relaxed fit, but denim is always here to stay. If you love a good denim moment, now is your time. That is it for my part 2 of spring trends. Let me know which trends you guys are feeling the most, which ones you are just not gonna try, which ones you may dibble and dabble in. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you like content like this. We've got some more coming. I'm gonna start posting twice a week for the month of March. Wish me luck, girls. Okay, wish me luck. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.